Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and I'm here with a new product from Sudio. My buddies at Sudio have been busy at work and they have a great new audio product they wanted to share with me, and so I'm going to share it with all of you. Let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy and let's have a look. Alright, here we go, lifting the lid, and I love the way Sudio delivers their products in these nice little boxes, and I've reviewed a number of their ANC products. Let's see what we have today. Look at that, guys. We have the Sudio E2s, true wireless earbuds with hybrid active noise cancelling technology and DIRAC on board as well. This is the latest ANC product from Sudio. Experience next level sound with captivating 3D spatial audio, immersive hybrid ANC, exceptionally clear calls, dual microphone, vivid voice technology. And as you can see, DIRAC virtual spatial audio widens the soundstage, so it's a version of what Apple has with spatial audio with these ANC earbuds. You also have IPX4 sweat and water resistant, up to 5.5 hours playtime, 30 hours total battery life, dual microphone, vivid voice technology, and hybrid noise cancelling. On top of that, we've seen this one before, the LAD Plus, and this is the wireless charger puck for the Sudio products, and these Sudio E2s will work with a LAD Plus wireless charging system. And Sudio, from a design perspective, really delivers the goods, especially with the unboxing experience. Okay, and here we go. Let's check these out. And an extremely snug fit. Have these opened and opening these up, and the Sudio E2s. And once again, they've selected this beautiful green color variant to send me charge before use. We're going to slide those out. Let's have a look at this unit. There they are, the Sudio E2s. And yes, we definitely need to charge these up, but looking around the case, the same beautiful, soft, matte texture that I appreciate from all of Sudio's products. And of course, you have the charging light on these as well. You have USB-C here on the back, and you also have the pairing button on the back. These work really well, guys, with both Android and iOS. I've had no issues using these on my 13 Pro Max or my Mi 11 Ultra. And let's have a look at the actual earbud itself. Very nice, sleek looks. These do resemble, I will say, the AirPods Pro. And let me go ahead and take my AirPods Pro out to show you. There you go, guys. It's pretty obvious where the inspiration comes from for these, but I do appreciate the stem is shorter on these, just like the AirPods Pro, and considering the price difference, you're getting a pretty sizable driver, I think, in these as well. Now let's have a quick look at what's inside the box. We have the ear tips, and Sudio delivers the goods here with the ear tips, giving you multiple sizes, extra small all the way to extra large. And Sudio also includes a charging cable, color matched to your case and earbuds. And last, we have a very cute registration chamois. Register your product for an extended warranty within 3 months of purchase. This also doubles as a chamois. Very nice. So all in all, guys, I really think this is a terrific product, and if it's anything like the previous Sudios I've tested, the audio quality will be standout, the pairing is super easy, and the active noise cancellation will be solid. But I'm gonna put them to the test, so stay tuned after I've used these, and I'll be back with my final verdict of these Sudio E2s. Stay tuned. So folks, I've been using the Sudio E2s, and they've been terrific with the AirPods Pro style look. Honestly, guys, I'm very happy with these, and they have very easy functionality as well. One tap to play music, and tap and hold to change between noise cancellation, transparency modes as well. The overall sound quality is excellent in between the AirPods Pro and the regular AirPods 3. In terms of audio quality, they're excellent. And of course, you have the plastic tip to create more sound isolation even without active noise cancellation. All in all, guys, in terms of fit and finish and audio quality, I'm really happy with these Sudio E2s. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon for future updates. So that's it. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. Great work, Sudio. Keep them coming.